Something already tells me ukuthi this thing yakamthunzi nosemidi ayizophela kahle. And ekupheleni kwayo, somebody is going to go to jail or something drastic is going to happen, because what do you mean umthunzi has convinced ubaba Semidi that he's got a problem yengqondo, and he actually now starting to believe it. He goes get his phone, set up appointments that when he gets there, he's now uyaxakeka na, he does not even know when did he set up the meetings. Worse ke, ibe worse, wait for it. Namhlanje he had to go ayothatha amakhiya wakhe, and then duku amakhiya lahlekile ubaba Semidi calls everyone, and then he start planting the seed that lalela abantu bakho mhlambe batshontshile ikhiya zemoto zakho, so that maybe they're trying to play prank on you, and then he gets upset, calls the staff, shout at them. After that, duku mthunzi comes with a key. Njani? I have no idea, but ayinophela kahle. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani, absheni malweni, minjani? Hipukile hinkongwina. So namuhla ka nongona kwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kulo silo tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that indaba lekamthunzi, there is someone who is investigating, and nakhona ke she started investigating umavuthela ke. She said on the middle of all this, that these things that are happening, she went and found out ukuthi kahle kahle unkosikazi kwa i-girlfriend kababa Semidi akashonanga. Home Affairs does not have any of those records, which means ukuthi uyaphila lo muntu, and then uyikemisheditse gore ayomukriya. The question is how, when, what? Because now her visit to Eastern Cape, she came back with nothing, because she found a story that has been rehearsed, she said. Now on the other hand, Hot Sauce has a problem ukuthi lo muntu lo amqhashile manje for to be the nanny and babysit. Ngathi now she's overstepping and overdoing things that they never agreed upon, like giving the child now solids, and now umntwana osasemncane, the twins are still young, they are not introduced to solids yet, and then yena, instead of introducing them to solids, straight kabushwa. And then she's like, no, but then Hot Sauce said you need to let umama know how to use the app. And then she is just not about that life. Thembelihle has to go and start working at Dintle's shop, and of which Utloso is not happy about it. Utloso say we are both parents, and I think such things need to be communicated. But in umama Lihle is not even about that. She does not even care. Said actually, Thembelihle, you're going to go there. Worst of all, you're going to respect that woman and never show disrespect. And then Uputi just doesn't know what is happening between Thembelihle and Mawaki.